Let's be real. We live in a world of digital noise and concrete boxes, and our brains are just starving for a biological reset. There's a name for this. It's called biophilia. It's that deep, innate human need to connect with life. So today, we're going to move beyond just nutrition and talk about the psychological return on investment of your own indoor lab. We're going to explore how you can use this space to literally lower your stress levels in minutes.
Yeah, let that sink in for a second. This is the whole point. We are completely reframing what an indoor garden is. This isn't just a hobby or some decoration. No way. It's a crucial tool. It is your frontline defense for your mental and, your physiological health in this crazy modern world.
All right, so first up, healing digital burnout. We need to talk about the science of something called soft fascination. This is a big one because I think every single one of us feels that constant drain from screens and notifications. Well, it turns out nature has a direct, scientifically backed antidote.
So the actual science behind this is called attention restoration theory, and it's such a cool concept. It basically explains why just looking at a plant can feel so incredibly calming. It's all about giving a very specific part of your brain a much-needed break from the daily grind. Okay, think of your brain's focus like a muscle. All day long, at work, on screens, in traffic, we're using what's called directed attention. We're forcing ourselves to concentrate, and it is exhausting. It leads straight to burnout. But nature, even a single plant, engages soft fascination. It's effortlessly interesting. You can just look at a leaf, its patterns, its colors, and it takes zero mental energy. That simple act is what literally helps heal your mental fatigue.
And look, this isn't just a feeling. This stuff is measurable. A major meta-analysis in 2026 found that just 10 minutes in a green space, and yes, your indoor garden absolutely counts, can slash the stress hormone cortisol by up to 15%.
Just look at that drop on the chart. That's your body's chemistry changing in real time. That is not a placebo effect. It's a direct physiological response. Your body is downshifting out of a state of stress and into calm, all because you took a few minutes to engage with your plants. It's a powerful, tangible benefit.
So we've seen how plants can restore your mind, but what if they could actually armor your body? Let's jump into our next section, because your indoor garden is creating an invisible shield for your immune system.
Okay, here's a word you're going to want to remember: phytoncides. Think of these as the plant's own airborne immune system. They release these antimicrobial compounds into the air to protect themselves. You know that amazing smell when you walk through a pine forest? You're literally breathing in phytoncides. It's the whole principle behind the Japanese practice of forest bathing.
And the best part is, you don't need an entire forest to get these benefits. Certain plants are just phytocide powerhouses. We're talking aromatic herbs like lavender and rosemary, even a lot of common fern species. They are constantly pumping these amazing chemicals right into your home. So how does it work? Well, it's a really simple, powerful process. Step 1, the plants release these airborne compounds. Step 2, you just breathe them in. And here's the kicker. Research shows this directly boosts the activity of your natural killer cells. What a great name, right? They're a critical part of your immune system's first line of defense. All right, so here's the biohack to really level this up. Don't just let all those amazing compounds hang out in one corner. Get a small, quiet fan, place it near your plants, and just gently circulate that air. You will effectively turn your entire living space into a therapeutic, immune-boosting zone. Okay, so we've got mental restoration, check. We've got physical resilience, check. Now let's talk about the third pillar, recovery. It's time to talk about how you can actually engineer your bedroom for dramatically better sleep.
So let me ask you a question. Are your plants working the night shift? It sounds weird, but it's a really crucial question because not all plants are created equal after dark. Most people just assume any plant is good for the bedroom, but there's a huge difference.
Check this out. Most plants, they actually respire at night, kind of like we do. They take in oxygen and they release CO2. But then there's this special group, the night shift crew. They use a totally different process, which lets them produce oxygen 24/7. That's right, they're pumping out oxygen while you sleep.
So who are these oxygen all-stars? You probably already know them. We're talking about snake plants and aloe vera. And not only are they little oxygen factories, they are incredible air purifiers. They're literally filtering out nasty airborne chemicals, like formaldehyde from furniture and paint, while you're getting your rest.
So here's the big biohack for this section. You create an oxygen bank in your bedroom. You strategically place these specific plants to actually increase the oxygen concentration around you while you sleep. And studies suggest this can lead to deeper, more restorative REM sleep. It's a game changer.
So, let's pull all these threads together. We've talked about your mind, your immune system, your sleep. This isn't just about scattering a few plants around your house. This is about consciously designing your indoor space as a personal ecosystem. It's truly a survival tool for modern urban life.
This chart right here really says it all. This is the psychological ROI. You've got these modern problems: digital burnout, a weak immune system, poor sleep, and for each one, your indoor biolab offers a direct, nature-based solution that gives you restoration, resilience, and deeper recovery. It's an incredible return on investment.
But look, this is about more than just benefits. This is about an active transformation of your own state of being. You're making the shift from burnout to restoration, from vulnerability to true resilience, and from restlessness to deep, meaningful recovery. Your garden is the catalyst for all of it.
So, I'll leave you with this thought. Your home is so much more than just walls and a roof. It's the ecosystem you live in every single day. So the real question is, are you just letting that ecosystem happen by default, or are you designing it with intention? Is your home just a place where you survive, or is it a place that you've engineered to truly thrive?